Hello guys, welcome in today's video, and in this tutorial you will learn about Python numbers and how to use them in programs. Python supports integers, floats and complex numbers. This tutorial discusses only integers and floats. Integers. The integers are numbers such as -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 and so on. They have a type int. You can use math operations like plus, minus, multiplication and division to form expressions that includes integers. For example, 20 plus 10, 30. To calculate exponents, we use two multiplication symbols. For example, 3 star star and 3. It will return result 27. To modify the order of expression, you use the parenthesis. For example, 20 divides opening bracket 10 plus 10 and then closing bracket. Now the first evaluation is done under the parenthesis, which become 10 plus 10, 20, and then 20 divides 20 become 1.0. Floats. Any number with a decimal points is a floating point number. The term float means that the decimal point can appear at any position in a number. In general, you can use floats like integers. For example, the division of two integers always returns a float. Here is the example. 20 divides 10 and you will get the result 2.0. If you mix an integer and a float in any arithmetic operation, the result is a float. Here is the example. 1 plus 2.0. The output will be 3.0. Due to the internal representation of floats, Python will try to represent the result as precisely as possible. However, you may get the result that you would not expect. For example, 0.1 plus 0.2. Here it results in 0.3 and a multiple times 0, then at last 4. Just keep this in mind when you perform calculation with float, and you will learn how to handle situation like this in later tutorials. Underscores in numbers. When a number is large, it is become difficult to read. For example, count 1 and 10 times 0. To make the long number more readable, you can group these numbers using underscore like this. When you storing these values, Python just ignores the underscores. It does so when displaying the number with underscore on the screen. Here is the example. The underscore also works for both integers and floats.